This is the SIBAYS dog water dish, I guess. It holds quite a bit of water. I think it's like 3 or 5 gallons of water. There's a little light in there. Blue means you have enough water. When it turns red, the water is too low and it won't make the fountain pump. There are 2 different filters in there. There's a filter on the pump itself, and then there's a filter underneath this gray thing that has a charcoal and a sponge-like filter on it. The entire thing was super easy to put together. The only thing that I hadn't really thought about was the plug. As you can see, we put a puppy pad here to protect the outlet because I have big dogs, and when they drink, they splash water everywhere, and I don't want them to get electrocuted with the plug. So for right now, the only solution that I've got so far is to put a puppy pad over it so the water doesn't get to the plug. Otherwise, it works great. It was super simple to put together. Today was the first time I cleaned it. It was really easy to clean. There's only, 3 parts that come apart easily to wash. I think it's dishwasher safe if you want to dishwash it. Otherwise, it's a good value for your money, and it's pretty quiet.
Come on. Get some water. Get some water. Get some water.
Some water. Come on. What are you doing?
That's good.
So I purchased this about a month ago, and I've been noticing there's water leaking from somewhere. So I just filled it up, put it on my counter, and realized that it's leaking from right there. And it's just a constant flow. See it pulling up in the back? Do not buy this.
Without the ultra processing. Because good ingredients matter, but the best recipes call for so much.
Thanks.
Get 50% off your first box, available